Welcome back to Streamline Entertainment. It's your boy Marvin. Just on the Spurs Brentford game at the Lane, losing 3-1. My thoughts are I wasn't expecting anything. I didn't expect to lose, to be honest with you. But the first half performance, we played enterprising football. We were on the front foot. Dan Juma started. We were absolutely uh, fantastic. Creating chances. The Kane goal was wonderful. Inventive move. Uh, you know, and a great goal. But the second half performance was absolutely terrible. Run up ideas. Brentford just seemed strong. Uh, as soon as they equalised, our heads just dropped and we just caved in. Oliver Skip giving the ball away for one of the goals, it was just awful. And I could understand why a lot of the Tottenham fans were pissed off, were booing Levy and asking him to leave and stuff. And like I said, the ceremony at the end, for the players coming out with their families, was just dire. There was hardly nobody there at the end of the day. And do you blame them after this poor season? I think we've conceded, so many goals this season is an absolutely joke. And to be honest with you, I couldn't wait for the season to finish because Spurs are absolutely dire this season. I've never seen us so low. It wasn't. It was bad when Conte was in charge, but it just seems even worse now. We just can't seem to pick ourselves up in any game at the moment. I think it needs a clear out. And if you ask me, is Kane going to stay? I'm not so sure now. I'm really not so sure. If he said, "Look, it's time to go. I'm leaving," then he's got to go. He's given us everything. 28 Premier League goals this season. He's given us everything that he could. And if it wasn't for him, I think we'd been in serious trouble. I think we'd have been down there with Everton or something. So it was disastrous in what happened today. And do I think we're going to get anything at Leeds? We're not good away. I don't think we will. I think we'll probably lose that as well and finish about 8th, 9th. But like I said, apart from Kane scoring, great first half. Second half was very, very, very poor and lackluster. Serious things are going to have to change at Spurs. Serious things at the end of the day, because I could see they're going to be boycotts at the stadium if this continues into next season. I really do. Anyway, come on, you Spurs, and hopefully we can try and get results against Leeds. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Streamline Entertainment. Thank you, Marvin.